So you said your name is Somi, right?
Yeah, my name is Somi, not Somi.
Okay, fine. Somi, I'm really sorry. I really like you very much.
All of this your guy. My dear, if I can about this girl now. More I'm not going to walk when you all the time. And I say, I will buy you some shawarma.
All right, and I'd like to take you out, probably buy you shawarma.
What?
Shawarma. You like to take shawarma. I take you out, take you to the best shawarma joint. You like it. And again, I really like you so much. You're a very pretty girl. You're lovely. I love your curves. You're actually my spec.
No, don't worry.
All right. Yeah. So you're gonna date me, right? You're gonna go out with me, right?
Let us help him.
I like you, little Somi. Please come on, Somi. I'd like to take you out. I'd like to spoil you a little.
Somi, please accept him.
What's your problem? What's your problem? What is Somi? Please accept you. What's your problem? Eh? Who called you here?
We are trying to assist you now. We are pleading on your behalf.
You want to assist me, right? I am pursuing Somi. I want you to assist.
Sorry, sir.
You people are very stupid.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Just wait. Don't worry.
We are sorry now.
Ah! Somi! Somi!
Somi! Somi! Somi has gone foul.
You see what both of you have caused? People are very stupid people. If I see, respect yourself.
We are sorry.
You are sorry.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Sorry, sir. Respect yourself. No verse. It's not you that caused it. Respect yourself.
You are sorry. Oh, okay, no problem.
That's Somi, the very stubborn. Oh, stubborn girl now. Mommy has Somi the way the stubborn.